Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this equation, okay? So now I'm going to solve this equation for you. The first things that we have to do, we will have to make all these numbers into factors of 2 and 3, okay? So as we can see, we have 8 can be written as 2 cubed and 27 can be written as 3 cubed. And then 12 can be written as 2 square times 3. And 18 can be written as 2 times 3 square. Okay, so let's make it into factors. So I can write 8 to the power 3 and then raised to the power x. Plus with 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 or 3 cubed and then raised to the power x. So 12 can be written as 2 square and then times with 3 and all raised to the power x. Okay, and then plus with, so 18 here can be written as 2 times with 3 square and then all raised to the power x. Okay, then equal to 7 divided by 6. Okay, so now as we can see, we have written this number into factors of 2 and 3. Okay, so let's move on. So here we have 2 to the power 3 or 2 cubed all raised to the power x. So I can switch the exponent here. So then we got 2 to the power x and then we switch to the power 3 here and then plus with, and here's also can switch the exponents. So I can write as 3 to the power x and then all raised to the power 3. Okay, and here we can write as 2 to the power x and then raised to square because we have 2 square here and then we multiply with 3 to the power x. Okay, plus, so here we also can be written as 2 to the power x and then times with 3 to the power x and then raised to square. Yeah, because we have 3 square here and then all equal to 7 divided by 6. Okay, so now we have reached this step. So next I want to make this equation is easier to solve. So let a equal to 2 to the power x here. Okay, and then b equal to 3 to the power x here. Alright, so then a plus b is equal to 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is greater than 0. Okay, alright, so now we can substitute a and b into this equation. So then we will get a cubed plus with b cubed and then all divided by, so here is a square times with b and then plus, so we have here is a and times with b square then equal to 7 divided by 6. Alright, now we have a nicer situation to deal with. Okay, so now let's solve these equations. So I hope you remember the formulas a cubed plus b cubed. which is equal to a plus b. Factor a square minus ab plus b square. Alright, and then here we can factor a, b. We got a plus b, alright, and then equal to 7 divided by 6. So now, as we can see, we have a plus b at the numerators and a plus b at the denominator. And also a plus b is greater than 0. That means we can simplify a plus b at the denominator with a plus b at the numerator. So what we will get, we get this factor and then divide by a, b equal to 7 divided by 6. Okay, so now we can multiply both sides of the equation with 6ab. So then we can simplify first side of the equation with 6ab. And the second side of the equation also can multiply with 6a and b. Alright, so now we can simplify ab with ab here. So we got 6 factors this part, alright, and then equal to. So now we can simplify 6 with 6 here. So we got left 7ab. Alright, so now let's expand this factor. We got 6a squared and then minus 6ab and then plus 6b squared. Okay, and then we can move 7ab to the left hand side of the equation. So that will be minus 7ab, then equal to 0. Alright, so then minus 6ab and then minus 7ab. So then we can be equal to 6a squared minus 13ab and then plus 6b squared, which is equal to 0. Okay, so now I'm going to divide this equation by b squared. So then we will get 6a divided by b and then raised to square. And then minus, when we divide by b squared, then we got 13 factor a divided by b and then plus 6 equal to 0. Alright. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equations in terms of a over b. So we can solve these equations in order to get the answer for a over b. Alright, so then when we factor these equations, so we will get 6 factors a over b and then minus 2 over 3 and then factors a over b and then minus 3 over 2 then equal to 0. Now we have 2 factors which is equal to 0. So either the first piece is equal to 0 or the second piece is equal to 0. So then we got a over b minus 2 over 3 is equal to 0, or this factor is equal to 0. Alright, so then we will get a over b is equal to 2 over 3, or we will get a over b equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so as we can see, we have a equal to 2 to the power x and b equal to 3 to the power x. So then a over b, which is equal to 2 over 3 and to the power x, and then equal to 2 over 3. Okay, equivalent to, as we can see, we have the same base, which is 2 over 3. That means we can be written as 2 over 3 or to the power 1. Then equivalent to x also equal to 1 here. Alright, now we got one answer, and here we got a over b equal to 3 divided by 2. So then we got a over b, which is 2 over 3 all to the power x, and then equal to 3 over 2. So then, as we can see, we have 2 over 3, and here is 3 over 2, which is not the same base. But if we convert 3 over 2 to 2 over 3, which is equivalent to 2 over 3 to the power x, and then equal to, so 3 over 2 can be written as 2 over 3 to the power minus 1. Alright, because what we want is to have the same base. So then we can cancel the base, and we got x equal to minus 1. Alright, now we got another root for this equation. Therefore, x equal to 1 and then x equal to minus 1 is the root to our original equation. Okay, so now we have solved these problems. I hope you understand and enjoy watching this video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. And goodbye. See you in the next video.